I am in my kitchen and I am about to attempt some gluten-free graham crackers. I'm just gonna go with my head and make this from scratch. My sister and my nieces, my brother-in-law and family is coming over tonight to have a kind of fall bonfire night. I'm gonna do elements that I do a lot for cookies, but make it thinner and bake it and so it can be crispy. My ingredients are going to be half a cup of almonds.
Put through the food processor just enough to make them crumbly.
4 dates, 3/4 a cup of coconut flour, a tablespoon of coconut oil,
1 teaspoon of apple cider,
a teaspoon of baking soda, a dash of salt, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of cashew butter, unsweetened, 1 egg. I'm gonna think what else. Cinnamon, a lot of cinnamon.
pumpkin spice, coconut shreds or coconut flakes to taste, stevia to taste, but I did about 1 cup.
And I mix it all together, my favorite thing in the world, the food processor. As long as you do the almonds first and then you do the 4 dates after, it doesn't matter what order you do it in. I use a bread roller thing, whatever the term is, and I flatten it really flat with cookie sheet because I want it to get crispy. I added cinnamon on top and baking stevia. We'll see what happens.